everybody, Ken Madden from Goldstrike, and I would like to show you today our brand new Spar Trunk Side Light. This is available in chrome or black for the 2021 and up Goldwing Tour models with the new Tour Pack that's a little bit larger. As we noticed with the larger Tour Pack, there was less light on the side of the motorcycle, so we decided to do something about that with this new light. It's a run-turn brake light. Let me show you how it works. So there's your running light right there. It's a nice bright light. It's quite long, as you can see, and the optics in it are designed to spread the light around. There's even LEDs facing the back as it goes around the curve, so even when you hit the brakes, because it is a brake light too, you're going to get some great lighting coming in from the rear. It's also a turn signal, and as you can see, it's over a foot long, and it adds a ton of light and more visibility and safety and coolness to your already cool bike. So anyway, the Spar Trunk Light from Goldstrike, goldstrike3d.com for all the information you need. Chrome and black. This is a great addition to your Goldwing. Thanks for watching. I'm Ken Madden with Goldstrike, and we'll see you next time.